Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from KuCoin to your MetaMask wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this process is easier than you might think, and it'll have your assets securely in your own wallet in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a KuCoin account with some XDC in it and MetaMask set up on your device. If you haven't added the XDC network to MetaMask yet, that's step 1. Head over to MetaMask, click on the network dropdown, and select Add Network. You'll need to enter the XDC details, the RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. You can find these on the official XDC website, just double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Once that's done, go to your MetaMask wallet and copy the address for the XDC network. This is crucial, so don't skip it. Now, log into your KuCoin account. Navigate to the Assets section, find your XDC balance, and click on Withdraw. You'll be prompted to select the withdrawal network. Make sure it's set to XDC or the appropriate chain. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Paste in the MetaMask wallet address you copied earlier, and double-check it for typos. That's one of the most common mistakes. Review the transaction details, including fees, and hit Confirm. KuCoin will send a confirmation email or 2FA code, so verify that too. After you submit, sit tight while the transaction processes. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. You should see your XDC there. Always keep an eye on gas fees and network status to ensure smooth transfers. And there you have it. Your XDC is now safely in MetaMask. This method keeps your assets under your control, which is key in the evolving crypto world of 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.